what's going on, Mixonite? I am Nathan Mixon, your fitness instructor, and today we are going to do a core exercise that's going to help you slim down your core the easiest way. Now, before I get started, make sure you turn on your push notifications. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and make sure you smash that like button. Now, if you're not familiar with the core muscles, it is very, very important. And I'm going to tell you why. Core exercise is going to train the muscles in your pelvis. It's also going to link into your lower back and also your hip area. And it's going to cause your core to work in harmony. That harmony is going to lead to better balance and also stability in anything that you do, from sports to your everyday lifestyle. With that being said, I'm going to show you how to do a reverse crunch. Very easy. We're going to start on the ground. You're going to start by lying on your back. Legs are going to be lifted so the thighs are perpendicular to the ground. You want to have your knees slightly bent. Pressing your lower back into the mat, make sure you curl your knees into your chest to help lift the hips off the ground. Return to the start with control, and that will be 1 rep for you. Continue those reps for 30 to 60 seconds, and then give yourself about 30 seconds to rest in between that time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.